Like many of you, we are in the process of returning to work at our centralized office. And that means that we're trying to figure out how to do that in the best way possible. We've arrived at 3 principles or practices that we're trying to put into place to help that go as smoothly as possible. The first thing that we're trying to do is help ourselves reconnect with each other as people in person. We're providing small group opportunities to connect, outings, lunches, one-on-one conversations, and safe ways that help people reestablish their relationships. The second thing that we're trying to do is to orient everybody toward the purpose of their work. And over the next month, we're going to be having individual conversations to talk about the meaning of our individual work and how that connects with our organizational purpose. The third thing that we're trying to do is establish principles by which we will make decisions when future changes come, because we know they will. I don't think the pandemic's done with us yet. I don't know about you. But whatever the case is, the changes in the workplace will continue, and people need as much predictability as possible. Having principles by which we make decisions helps with predictability. So that's it for us. Reconnect with each other, reconnect with our purpose, and then establish principles by which we will navigate through change. What about you? How are you helping people come back together again? Remember to like and comment below and subscribe for more informative content.